Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy here at handesofawoman.com. Hi. I've got a few towels to show you here. This is a collection of towels made from a pink ribbon pour that I did a while back. And I'm just going to measure the first one to give you an idea of how the size it is. It's about 25 inches long and about 12.5 inches wide, and all of these are just right around that size. These are a cotton linen, and the fabric was printed for us by Spoonflower, and I don't get anything from them. That's just who we use to do our printing. So that's 2 spoons, and here's what it looks like folded in half. And here's what it looks like folded in thirds. So you get an idea of what that might look like in your kitchen. And the next one is called Pattern 3 Vertical Wings. And I call it vertical wings because viewed in a vertical orientation, then it looks like 2 wings. And here's what that looks like folded in half. And here's the other side. And here's what it looks like folded in thirds. Here's the one side, and there's the other side. The next one is horizontal wings. And when you look at it in this orientation, it looks like wings. Put it back here for consistency. And that's pattern 4. And here's what that one looks like folded in half. And then here's what it looks like folded in thirds. Like that. The next one is this one. This is pattern number 5. I call it vertical blue bow. And that's what that one looks like. And folded in half looks like that. And folded in thirds it looks like that. So that's that one. And then the last one that I have left is pattern number 6, and this one's called 1 spoon. That's 1 spoon. And 2 spoons has the spoon part on the 2 sides like that. This is just the 1 spoon. And here's what that looks like folded in half, and here's what it looks like folded in thirds in your kitchen. So these are the pink ribbon pour collection. These are 100% linen and cotton. It's a blend fabric. Here's 1 spoon. There's 2 spoons. And vertical wings. And vertical blue bow. Horizontal wings, and that's it. So that's all for today. Bye bye.